After cleaning your Dyson filter, you might find your vacuum isn't working properly. There are several key reasons why this happens, and understanding them will help you get your vacuum running smoothly again. The number one reason your Dyson stops working after filter cleaning is that the filter wasn't completely dry when you put it back. Wet filters obstruct the crucial airflow your vacuum needs and can potentially damage the motor. Always allow your filter to air dry for at least 24 hours after washing. This ensures complete moisture removal and prevents airflow blockage when you reinstall it. Another common issue is incorrect filter installation. If your vacuum has a flashing filter light, this usually indicates the filter isn't properly seated. Make sure the filter clicks securely into place with proper alignment. Even with a perfectly clean and dry filter, your Dyson might still have problems if there are blockages in other areas. Check the cyclone assembly, hose, wand, and cleaner head for any debris that could restrict airflow. Remember, airflow is crucial for your Dyson's operation. Whether it's a wet filter, incorrect installation, or blockages elsewhere, anything that restricts airflow will cause performance issues. When your Dyson isn't working properly, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and fix the issue. First, check the basics. Ensure your Dyson is switched on and the battery is fully charged. Empty the dustbin to the max line. An overflowing bin can significantly affect suction power and airflow. Check for blockages in the vacuum head and hose. Remove any obstructions that might be restricting airflow. Ensure the filter is correctly installed and completely dry. A wet or improperly fitted filter can cause performance issues. If the vacuum is pulsing, this typically indicates a low battery or dirty filters that need attention. To reset your Dyson, first turn off and unplug the vacuum, then remove all attachments. Locate the reset button, which is usually red and found on the back or bottom of the machine. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to complete the reset process. If problems persist, consider replacing the filter, as Dyson filters typically last 3 to 6 months with regular cleaning. For overheating issues, turn off the vacuum and allow it to cool down completely.